What kind is it?
He's a shepherd husky.
Can I pet him?
Yeah, sure.
Oh man, hey buddy. I'm willing to offer you $100,000 for your dog.
I still wouldn't be able to do
You
it.
can't do that? Now for the man bud dog. I'm not even kidding.
Fuck.
Yeah, are you interested? I have exactly $100,000
Nice.
for your dog. Would you be willing to sell her?
No.
For no. Why not? You can't do that?
No.
Just for one of them?
No.
No. You want to sell him for $1 million?
No.
Why is that?
Because he's very unique and he's just wonderful. He's part of a family.
$100,000?
Not even.
No?
Not even.
Why not?
Because he's my best friend.
$100,000 right now. Trade me the.
Chihuahua for 13 years, no way. Because I love that dog. You don't do that when you just for money like that.
Yeah, the dog is worth
They
more.
have a meaning for you. Yeah.
The dog is worth more than $100,000.
I cannot live with $100,000 and just like thinking that I just give all my dog away after I've been having her for so many years.
Let's see.
$100,000.
wow, let's do it. Let's do it.
You interested?
For sure.
Okay. Would you be willing to sell her?
No.
For no. Why not? You can't do that?
No.
Just for one of them?
No. No.
You want to sell him for $1 million?
No.